Are there too many cryptocurrencies? Currently, there's close to 20,000 tokens tracked on CoinGecko and over 20 million on Gecko Terminal. Certainly more by the time you're watching this. The vast majority are questionable, to put it kindly. New tokens appear as quickly as old ones die off. It often feels like the space has become cluttered, chaotic, or simply absurd. But before we decide whether this is a problem, it helps to understand how we got here. In the beginning, there was Bitcoin, alone, simple, revolutionary. Then came Ethereum, which didn't just create another coin, it created an assembly line. With the introduction of its ERC-20 standard, token creation became something almost anyone could do. Instead of reinventing the wheel each time, it gave developers a shared template, a set of basic rules that wallets, exchanges, and apps already understood. Other blockchains then followed the same idea, making it just as easy to launch new tokens elsewhere. And with every bull run afterward, the process became easier, faster, and cheaper. Memecoin launchpads, one-click deployment tools, and even AI-generated tokens removed nearly all friction. With the barrier to token creation plummeting, people could create a cryptocurrency for virtually anything. Memes, community mascots, rewards, in-game currencies, fundraisers, governance tokens, or unfortunately, all too often, a grift. Most of these tokens serve no real purpose. Many are abandoned, forgotten, or outright scams. But that abundance isn't actually unique to crypto. Every young digital ecosystem overproduces. The early internet had millions of half-finished websites. The App Store was drowning in low-effort apps. Early YouTube was filled with nonsensical videos, simply because people were allowed to try and fail and try again. Innovation came from allowing many things to exist, even if few of them would ever matter in the long run. Of course, that doesn't mean that this abundance is all rainbows and sunshine. While the others don't break Bitcoin or Ethereum, they do add noise, distracting or even harming newcomers, siphoning attention and capital, and making it harder to focus on the projects that actually matter. Still, all of that activity, good and bad, is part of the ecosystem growing up. Projects with real usage, communities, and actual reasons to exist are the ones that tend to survive. Through an optimistic lens, crypto is simply going through the same chaotic adolescence, the simple byproduct of a permissionless world. And it's still evolving, messy, unpredictable, and very much unfinished. If you're wondering if Bitcoin is just a bubble, watch this video next.